Hi class, today we're gonna go over section 1.1, the structure of the data. So here's the outline of the lecture. So we're gonna talk about what is the definition of data and cases and variable. What is categorical and quantitative variables, explanatories and responsive variable, and how to use data to answer a question. So, what is a statistic? And why we need statistic? So statistic is all about a data, and it consists of three important elements: collecting the data, describing the data, or summarizing and visualizing the data, and then analyzing the data. And then the data is everywhere, and it does not matter what you do, and you will collect a lot of data and to gain some insight from the data to help your organization to make decisions. Then so data are a set of measurement taken on a set of individual units, and usually data is stored and presented in a data set comprised of variable measured on cases. So what is the cases and variables? Cases is such as like a one person, a name of a person. So in the class, say we have 20 students, then there are 20 cases or 20 unions. And a variable is any characteristic that is recorded for each cases. So variables could be your height, your weight, right? And you're left-handed or right-handed, something to describe you. It's variable. So those are two important definitions you need to know. And generally, each case make up a row in a data set, and each variable make up a column. Thank you.